y'all think about my little greenery back there, y'all? What you think about my little plant? It's not real, but I'm feeling it. I think it adds a little something to the background.
Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's a way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. It's disastrous beauty. It's a way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
I know the next morning when the sun goes out, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. You know nothing at all about what's going down. Oh, like a shipwreck, I caught the sails loose. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and time is running out for me. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could.
I need you back. I need you back. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby? Just come home to me. All night, all night. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby? Just come home to me. All night, all night. I am beat for vibe, moving to my light. I attract what's mine on that QGTM type of time now. I'm not sorry, this drove a Rari. Big energy, his bling was really blinding. Them be my type, scheme with him all through the night. He hits me up and give me pain, and then we catch a flight. From time to time, I know it's wrong, but it feels.
Alright, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details of space and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. This strap is giving me the pure blues, okay? Both straps. I don't know why my jumper don't want me to be great today, but it don't. Alright, y'all, so the wig that I am rocking was sent to me by Rpgshow. Shout out to you, Rpgshow, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking, because they always send this little paper, y'all, I love that. I live for these, okay? It says the name is Dominic 006. The order number is WD044. The texture is silky. The length is 20 inches. The color is the same as the picture. The cap size is size 1, which is the circumference is 21.5 inches to 22 inches. The cap construction is 13 by 6 glueless lace front wig, and it is 200% density. And the lace color is tinted transparent Swiss lace, light brown. So those are all the details and specs on this unit, and once again, I love that they send that. I want to go ahead and apologize for the back of my chair. I am getting a new chair, y'all, just bear with me. But anyways, so with this unit, there is no shedding, there's no tangling, there's none of the things straight out the packaging. That's not to say, oh girl won't at some point, it's just that straight out the packaging she's doing none of the things. Another thing with this unit is that I did not have to tweeze it, I didn't have to bleach it. Child, I barely had to curl it. Okay, I did curl it. I did curl it, but it was because I wanted curls. This unit is definitely, just like all Rpgshow units, the ultimate beginner friendly wig. Like they always come through with the come through when it comes to their wigs. Like they're the ultimate beginner friendly unit. Like if you're just now starting to wear wigs and you want a frontal, Rpgshow is gonna be your girl. Okay, it's some coins, but those coins are worth it. Okay, now as far as this hairline, like girl, you know, like girl, you just know. And this color, I like that it has, I don't know if you guys can even see it. I have turned my lights up higher and I got the window open, so I'm hoping you guys can see that it's like this lighter blonde that's in here, and then it's more of a honey or bronzy sort of color at the end. I love that. I love that for me. Okay, as far as this unit being big head friendly, it does come with adjustable straps. It does come with an elastic band, and I have the elastic band like literally on the last notch, and I do have the adjustable straps adjusted. I would say this wig is more so, in my opinion, even though I adjust the straps, I would say it's more too small to medium head friendly than not. I am an average cap size, so I be just guesstimating, girl. But because it is pretty snug with just me moving it up a notch and me using that elastic band, I would say it's more small to medium head friendly. But if you have a larger or wear a larger cap size, I would recommend you going a size up. But I only have the head that's on my shoulder, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that. Do with that what you want to do with it. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with the cons, because you know I like to end on a high note. My con is going to be the same con that I always have with these units, these more luxury brand wigs, is that it's a 13 by 6, but like I always say, you can't go very far on the sides. Like that 13 by 6 ends right in here. Okay, so even though it is a frontal, it feels more so like closure. So that is going to be my one and only con. It's not a huge con, but it's always a con that I know I can throw out there with these units. All right, so moving on. Now my pros are endless as always. Like y'all, this hairline is life. For the unit, the color is life. I didn't have to bleach it. I didn't have to do any extra work. You know your girl lazy, so that is always going to be a pro. And just the overall look of the unit. I did add layers to it, but even if I didn't add layers, I still think I would really like this wig. Like it's just an overall look. So those are the pros for me. Girl, be for real. You know I would recommend this wig. Let's go on to the next. Okay, we going on, moving along. Moving along, nothing to see here. Alright, so I'm going to give you guys my full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4", and this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Rpgshow, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. We have some stay on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous Beauty on Twitter. And I will see you next time. Bye.